Hi Gemini, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Gemini, a very happy new year to you guys. What are the messages for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Cool. You've got the Empress, the Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, the Justice card, the Sun card. Sun card is a very prominent card. And even Eight of Swords is a very prominent card in these new readings. Eight of Cups as well. The overall energy here is Seven of Swords. Gemini, these could be your energies or not. I feel some of you are planning to be mommies. You're going to be expecting your baby, and that's going to be great because this is a time when you should try and you will be successful. I feel there is a lot of communication coming your way as well. It could be from a Libra person, somebody who walked out on you. So I feel, Gemini, that now probably some of you are pregnant and you're a single mother or a single dad who has a small child, like a daughter or a son, and you were involved with somebody who was a bit younger than you. Yeah, could be an Aquarius person that you're dealing with. Either they want to communicate with you regarding this baby, or you want to communicate with them, telling them that you are expecting, or um, you need their help or something like that. But this person had walked out on you. But now, because you have a child in the picture, this person might come back again. Things could become better again because Justice card is here. Things are becoming better. I also feel that this could be a battle for the custody of your child, and the decision is going to go in your favor, Gemini. Even though there is an if, but, what if, these kind of feelings happening around you, the decision will go in your favor. Some of you might feel a little financially strained, probably because of this person. Yeah, could be a Scorpio person you're dealing with. Scorpio. Yeah, another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in your chart. Hmm. Gemini, something did end. Like you've got the Ten of Swords and then the Death card as well. It's something that ended, and now it's just too much to handle. Probably now you have this baby and everything is just very overwhelming for you. Not a very good start to the year, but with the Ace of Swords, there is some kind of clarity in the picture. You're going to be getting some kind of news that will set you free. There is definitely some kind of battle, but you are willing to take the risk because it's definitely about a child or somebody who is a little immature than you. But no, definitely, this reading is meant for people who either have a girl child or are expecting a girl child. Yeah. Let's see some oracle messages for you, Gemini. These messages may or may not be directly related to the tarot, so take them however they resonate with you. Abundance coming your way. Yes, that's great. Big happy changes coming your way, abundance coming your way. Contemplation time. Spend time alone meditating upon what you truly desire. You could try scripting, Gemini. You could script exactly what you want, meditate on that, and sleep with whatever that journal or the paper that you've written on under your pillow. The subconscious will lead to manifestations. Healer. You have the power to help and heal others. That's just so beautiful, Gemini. Okay. Step out of your comfort zone, Gemini. Prosperity lies ahead. Abundance and prosperity both are in your reading. It's great. It's time to take action and a time to give rather than take. These are self explanatory oracle messages that are additionally helping you get clarity. Be grounded. Meditate as you got this card. You should meditate and contemplate. Meditation brings answers to you. This card also talks about staying grounded and staying connected to your true purpose. It's going to really help you, Gemini. Okay, you've got two cards over here. I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. I am the dreamer of my dream. Wow, amazing. Let go of what doesn't serve you, Gemini, and hold on to exactly what you want to manifest so that you can hasten the process. You know, these are amazing energies. Just be aware of deceptive people. But whatever happened, however things ended, everything is going to be in your favor. Gemini, I hope you have a wonderful year. Thank you for watching. Bye.